What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Shift Narrative, where we pull apart the truth behind online income systems. So today we're looking at AliDropship, the tool that claims it can help you start your own dropshipping business with just a few clicks. They say you can launch a store, fill it with profitable products, and start earning from home. But the question is, does it actually work, or is this another easy money fantasy dressed up in Shopify packaging? Let's break it down. AliDropship positions itself as an all-in-one system that helps beginners start a dropshipping store without coding or tech experience. You can either pay $89 for a plugin version and build it yourself, or $2.99 to have their team create a done-for-you store. Sounds simple, but that's just the setup cost. You still need to pay monthly for hosting and product data tools, around $39 a month, plus research packs if you want access to trending or bestseller products. On paper, it sounds like plug-and-play e-commerce. In reality, you're paying for convenience, not success. Here's the thing about dropshipping that most reviews skip over. You're not just buying a website, you're buying a business model that's brutally competitive. Even if AliDropship builds your store, you still have to handle the hardest part, traffic and marketing. They don't teach you how to run paid ads, build an audience, or stand out against the thousands of stores selling the exact same product. So sure, you might have a great looking site, but if no one visits it, it's just digital real estate collecting dust. Let's talk about cost versus profit. Your store setup might be $299 and product research another $100, but the real expenses come from advertising. Running Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok ads can easily burn $1,000 to $2,000 a month before you see consistent results. And the average dropshipping profit margin is around 10 to 20%. That means for every $100 you sell, you might only keep $10 to $20 if your ads perform well. So yes, it's possible to make $10,000 a month, but that might mean spending $8,000. Now, to be fair, AliDropship isn't a scam. It's a solid tool for people who already know what they're doing in e-commerce. But if you're a beginner looking for a simple side hustle, this is not it. You'll be dealing with ad optimization, supplier delays, refunds, and thin margins that make scaling a nightmare. So my take, AliDropship is legit, but the business model it supports isn't built for most beginners. If you're still interested in e-commerce, cool, just know it's a grind. But if you want a business that's more predictable, lower cost, and beginner friendly, I've linked my top recommendation below. It's what I personally use and what I'd tell my younger self to start with. Make sure to hit like, drop a comment if you've ever tried dropshipping, and subscribe to Shift Narrative for more no BS reviews. Because we don't chase hype here, we expose it.